Hello, this is Nimi Prabha, Assistant Professor of SNS College of Technology in the Department of Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning. In the previous video, we discussed about the what discuss about the main concept of fundamentals of Java, that is object. In this video, we will discuss about what is class. So, what is class? So, in the previous video, we discussed about that what is object, and yeah, here we will discuss about the what is class in Java. A class is a group of objects which have common properties. It is a template or a blueprint from which objects are created. It is a logical entity. It can't be physical. So we told that object is a physical. We can both physical and a logical. But class is a blueprint of object that we are created. Okay. So what is class? It's a group of objects which have one common properties, and it can be a physical thing. A Java in a class in Java can contain a fields, methods, constructor, block, nested class, and interface. So many things we can add in our classes. So in classes, objects there, constructors is there, all these things we will discuss later. Um, then methods are there, and the blocks and interfaces we are using, all these things we will discuss. So defining what a class is, this is the syntax for the class. A public class. The class is a keyword, and then we have to give the class name. And inside that class name, and we have what we have to do metadata name, the person, methods, and all. Okay, this is an example for public class. The public protect public, the private protect is here. Private protected public is called a visibility label. Okay, that is known as access modifier. So this also we will discuss later. Just we know that is just we need to discuss that is private protected public is a access modifier. So it is a if it is in public means we can use in and outside the class. That is a simple name. Protected and public means we can use inside. If it is in a private means we can't use the methods outside the class. The members that are declared private can be accessed only from within the class. Public members can be accessed from outside the class. This is the simple meaning of this private, protect, and public. So class members are data or functions are members. Data members or methods must be declared within the class definition. So here this in length, in breadth, in length, these are the data members. A members cannot be redeclared within the class. Means here we declare two times lengths. So we can't declare like that. So this will give an error. Okay, so the name of the variable should be different. We can't use the same name in the same class. Instance of variable in Java, a variable which is created inside the class but outside the method is known as instance of a variable. Instance variable does not get a memory at compile time. It gets memory at runtime when an object or instance is created. That is why it is known as instance variable. New keyword in Java. The new keyword is used to allocate memory at runtime. All objects get memory in heap memory. Okay, so this is about the class. So next one. So how to create a class? To create a class, we should use a class keyword. That is keyword class. Public class name. Okay. So inside we declare a variable x is equal to 5. The value of x is equal to 5. This is a program for that one. Public class name, what is the value of x is equal to 5. Public static void main string as main of my object. Here we have created one object. Okay. Then with object we are calling this the value of the variable. So what will be the value? It will in display it will say as 5. Okay. Here we declare two objects system With these two objects, we are calling the variable. So object 1 and object 2, object 1 dot x and object 2 dot x. Object and classes in Java. Using multiple classes, you can create a object of a class and access its another class. This is often used for better organization of class as all the attributes and methods, while the other class hold the main methods. Remember that the name of the Java file should match the class name. In this example, we have created two files in the same class folder. So this is main.java and the second.java. In main.java, we declare one value x. And here my object is equal to main. So here, okay, in second.java, we created an object of what? Object of main. Object of this main. So with the help of this object name, we are calling the value in class. Okay, these main.java and second.java are the two class. So object and classes in Java. Okay. So when the both file can be filed, then when we compile, the both files are compiled and your name Java second, then what will be the output? And the output will be the file. So what we have done means in main.java we declare one variable in the x is equal to 5. We are creating another class second.java. In second.java we created an object for that main. With that object we call the value of x in this class. Okay, so it will show the output as 5. Java class attribute, we use the term variable of x in the example. It is actually an attribute of the class. Or you could say that class attributes are variable within a class. Here we declare class main. What is the value of x and y? 5 and 3. Okay. So here itself we created an object and we are calling that the value of x in that object. So this is all about the Java.